I am joined here now with Jody Simmons and Carrie Lawrenson, co-founders of the Nest Project. Now, you are offering this new mental health program. So, can you just give some background into the creation of this program?
Carrie and I launched the Nest project and a lot of this programming in August, September of last year. And we have been working with educators and caregivers and a vast range of different people in the community. And we decided to approach LRHF and decided to partner with the Thorpe in order to put forth a proposal where we could bring some of this programming to people in the Lloydminster area and surrounding area without the problem of how could they afford it. So we really wanted to remove that barrier for people. And so because of this really generous funding, we can now offer these programs to everyone at no charge, which is really exciting.
What type of series and programs will be offered?
So we're actually starting out. Today is our first session of our first series, which is the practice of mindfulness. So for 3 weeks, we will be looking into the science of mindfulness, lots of different ways that we can practice mindfulness. And so participants are going to be introduced to quite a bit of content in 3 different sessions. And then for May, we're moving into a series called Presence. So this is a blend of mindfulness, of movement, and reflection. So, kind of incorporating 3 different areas into one. And that's going to run for 3 weeks again. And then our final session for this little run is in June, and it is choosing joy. So, again, we're going to look into some science of the emotion of joy, some different practices that we can implement into our everyday lives to kind of start seeing a little bit of joy in ordinary everyday situations. So those are the 3 that we're starting with.
Obviously, this pandemic has had a big effect on our mental health. So, is that what kind of drew you to start working with these two groups and offer these different types of series?
Oh, absolutely. And we did a fair bit of research before we put forth this application. And yeah, definitely, people are struggling. Young people, elderly people. It's been a tough go. But the truth is that the concept of the Nest Project and of these programs started in our minds a couple of years ago. But the pandemic has really shone that spotlight on the need, and so yeah, we hope that this is helpful for people. And this programming is really preventative in nature or prevention focused, which just means that these are everyday things that people can utilize, whether they're really struggling or whether they're just wanting to enhance their own well-being, and really they're doing quite well.
And how has the process been with and the cooperation so far been with the Lloydminster Region Health Foundation and the Thorpe?
Oh, we feel really grateful to be able to partner with 2 such incredible organizations. I think it's been a great collaboration so far, and they've been really supportive of the work that we do within the Nest project. So it seemed like a really suitable fit for all 3 of us. And yeah, we're really looking forward to working with the residents of Lloydminster and area.
And if anyone is looking to take part or register in these programs, where can they do so?
So all of the content is listed on the Lloydminster Mental Health website. So the website link is provided for you here, and all of the registration links, content on each program with explanations is listed within there. So definitely a great kind of source for learning more.
I just think it's important for people to know. I know we're all, quite busy. Our days are full and it is spring. So all of these sessions will be available as recordings as well. So if you look at the information and you think, oh gosh, that time doesn't work for me, just know that we're more than happy to provide recordings so people can access the information when it works best for them.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for joining me today.
Thanks for having us.